Hello, welcome to the session on vacuum and spray treatments. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to list the benefits of vacuum and spray treatments, explain the pre-process of vacuum and spray treatments, demonstrate the vacuum and spray treatments. Vacuum and spray machine is commonly used in professional skin care treatments. Vacuum machine use suction to extract impurities and debris from the skin such as dirt, excess oil, and dead skin cells. This deep cleansing process helps to unclog pores and prevent breakouts, leaving the skin looking cleaner and clearer. The vacuum function also provides gentle exfoliation. By removing the outer layer of dead skin cells, it helps to improve the skin's texture and promote a smoother, more radiant complexion. The suction action of the vacuum function stimulates blood flow to the skin's surface. Likewise, the spray function involves delivering a fine mist of skincare products onto the skin. This enables better absorption of moisturizers, serums, or toners, providing deep hydration and nourishment to the skin. Let's begin with the pre-process of vacuum treatment. First, switch on the power supply. Set the pressure that is minimum to maximum based on the requirement. After that, set the vacuum button to on. Finally, attach the vacuum cup to the hose. Now, let us understand the procedure for vacuum treatment. First, cleanse the skin thoroughly. Then, apply oil to the skin, preferably almond oil or any other good skin oil. Switch on the vacuum and spray machine. Check the suction capability on your skin and ensure it is gentle. Then, apply the vacuum treatment gently in a defined pattern gradually between the eyebrows and sides of the forehead. This treatment helps close the pores and soothe the skin. It helps to relieve pain and relaxes muscles. It is also used to remove blackheads, extract dirt, cleanse, and hydrate the skin. Now, let's see the procedures involved in spray treatment. First, remove the vacuum cups from the hose. Attach the spray bottle to the hose. Then, switch on the spray button. Adjust the speed so that the spray is gentle. Then, apply the spray treatment gently in a defined pattern gradually. This treatment helps refresh the skin after vacuum suctioning. The spray may also be scented with water or essential oils for a refreshing feel. When using a vacuum machine in a salon, it's important to follow certain do's and don'ts to ensure client safety and achieve optimal results. Here are some general guidelines to keep in mind. Do assess the client's skin condition and concerns before using the vacuum machine. Do cleanse the client's skin thoroughly before starting the vacuum treatment. Do pay attention to sensitive areas such as around the eyes, nose, or areas with broken or irritated skin. Do regularly clean and sanitize the vacuum tip between clients to maintain hygiene and prevent the transfer of bacteria or impurities. Do provide clear aftercare instructions to the client, including any precautions they should take and skincare products they should use post-treatment. Do select the appropriate vacuum tip or attachment based on the treatment area and the client's needs. Do start with a lower suction level and gradually increase it based on the client's comfort and tolerance. Do use slow, gentle, and even movements when gliding the vacuum tip over the client's skin. Keep the motion fluid and avoid staying in one spot for too long to prevent bruising or redness. Don't use the vacuum machine on clients with certain skin conditions such as severe acne, rosacea, or active infections. Consult with the client or a skincare professional to determine if the treatment is appropriate for them. Don't use the vacuum machine on sunburnt, irritated, or broken skin. Wait until the skin has healed before performing the treatment. Don't use excessive suction that may cause pain, discomfort, or damage to the skin. Following these do's and don'ts will help ensure a safe and effective vacuum machine treatment in your salon. Similarly, here are the do's and don'ts to be followed while using spray machine. Do properly prepare the client for the spray treatment. This may include exfoliating the skin, ensuring it is clean and dry, and providing appropriate instructions on what to wear during the treatment. Do protect the client's eyes from the spray by providing protective goggles. Do maintain a consistent distance and angle when applying the spray. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific spray machine you are using. Do apply the spray in even and overlapping motions to ensure uniform coverage. Pay attention to areas that may be easily missed, such as elbows, knees, and underarms. Do clean and maintain the spray machine according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure optimal performance and hygiene. Don't use the spray machine on clients with respiratory conditions or sensitivities such as asthma or allergies unless they have consulted with a healthcare professional and obtained clearance. Don't neglect to clean and sanitize the spray machine and its components before and after each use to prevent the growth of bacteria or contamination. Following these do's and don'ts will help ensure a safe and effective spray machine treatment in your salon. Let's recap the key points discussed. Vacuum and spray method provides more radiant and sculpted face. Apply oil to the skin and do the vacuum treatment gently in a defined pattern. For spray treatment, adjust the speed and gently apply in a defined pattern. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the vacuum and spray treatments. See you in the next session.